What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're going to be doing some work on the Cherokee. We're going to be taking these busted up old leaf springs, replacing the bushings in them, and getting them all squared away so we can put them back underneath the Cherokee and finally get it on the trails. So first I gotta get these shackles off. There we go. Other shackle off. All right, I think since I have it, we're gonna use some MAP gas here and torch out the bushing, and then we'll cut that metal sleeve in there and rip it right out. Let's back the camera up. Now, while fire may not be the best option to get these bushings out, it sure is fun. I like playing with fire. Fire. All right, so once you melt most of the bushing out, you're gonna wanna try to cut a slit in it without actually cutting the leaf spring itself. And then you're just gonna wanna try to pound it in so the whole metal sleeve will just fall right out. I've been working at this for a little bit. We're getting close to having it pop out, and then we'll just be able to grease it up and put the new one in. Just like that, we got one out. Now this side's way easier. You just have to push out this pin, and then these two bushings went in like that. This pin goes in the middle, holds it all together. Makes it a lot easier not having to worry about that metal sleeve. So one leaf spring completely clean. Now we just got to work on this other one. Center pops out really easy, and you just got to pry under the lip here. Get one side out. There we go, that side's out. So this is the kit of bushings I got. It's from Energy Suspension. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. Polyurethane bushings, so gotta grease them up a lot or I'm told they'll squeak. So we're gonna get those installed. It's a complete kit, comes with all the different bushings you need. Comes with the ones for the smaller eyelet, the bigger one, and then it also comes with ones for the shackles as well. So we're gonna get all these greased up and put in. If you wanna pick up this set, I'll put a link to it below in the description so you can check it out and pick up a set if you need to replace your bushings. Healthy coat grease here. The bottom line. A lot of grease, so that way I hopefully won't be squeaky. There we go. Nice. Ooh, slippery. Crazy bushing. There we go. One all done and greased up. Now we just gotta repeat the process. So I'm not installing these bushings in the shackles because I might do 1-inch shackles to raise it, because these are only 4.5-inch springs, and I have 5.5-inch coils for the front, so I'm gonna need to make up that inch difference. So I think I'm gonna buy inch shackles anyway, so we'll save these. But both sides are all pushed in, looking good. They look really great. One thing to be aware of when you're installing these is these two bigger bushings actually have the little bit longer inner sleeves here. So you wanna make sure you get those right. They're easy enough to pound in and out if you need to swap them out, but that's just something to be aware of. All right, guys, that's it. I just wanted to get these installed, so that's one more step that I don't have to do on the Cherokee. These are all set to put under once we get the axle all squared away. I did order the Artec truss the other day, 20% off sale till the end of the month, so if you're looking to do an axle swap or something that's more expensive, 20% off is real enticing to buy right now, and Artec makes top of the line stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And as always, stay bearded, stay Jeepin'. I'm out.